Alright guys, we are out here at the farm. Fishing a lake that y'all are probably pretty familiar with. It's not really a lake, it's more of a pond, but you can see we're fishing Heart Lake today. Fish here quite a bit. I'm looking to catch them, hoping that maybe I can catch 6 or 7, something like that, then maybe move on to another pond, or I don't know, just see how the day goes. But let me show y'all what I'm going to use today. So what I'm going to be using today is probably going to chuck around a little chartreuse square bill crankbait. Water's a little muddy, so I think the vibration will do pretty good in that water. So will the color. And also, square bills are great baits to use in the summer. Always remember that. This one kind of imitates a little bluegill with the chartreuse and everything, but fish love them. Second thing I'm going to use, chatterbait. As I said, water is muddy. So, I might not use this exact color. I might use a white and chartreuse one, just to make it show up a lot better. But chatterbait, this thing wiggles, creates a bunch of vibration, and it's a big target. Great thing to use in summer, because fish love big things in the summer. They're hungry and need big stuff to eat. Third thing is I'm probably going to wacky rig a little Senko June bug color. As I said, because the water's muddy. Yes, said that 3 times by now. Not sponsored. Yum, would love it. But great Senkos, very cheap, and we'll catch fish. Last thing I'm going to use is, I actually have this one already tied up, is a little red shad colored swirly tail worm. Fish love swirly tail worms. They really don't know what they imitate. I guess just a worm. But during the summer, you know, like during the fall and stuff, or early spring, you might want to use, because start out with some smaller baits, stuff that, you know, because they're kind of lazy when that water's cold. But once that water gets hot, get those baits to be real long. It'll work out for you. You'll catch some big fish. That's all I've got for you right now, so let's get to fishing. Alright guys, let's get to it. There he is. Ooh. Well, that was a bit odd. Well, I was kind of crazy. There we go. Alright, first fish of the day. Not very big, but that's okay. Still a fish. There it is. That's a good one right there. It's nice. It's a good nice one. Ooh, yeah, get up in here. Ooh. Quick release. Look at that one. It's a real nice one. Not too chunky, kind of probably spawned out. Let's get this guy back in the water. Look at him go. On the old chartreuse and white chatterbait. Hey, and guys, on that fish, just gonna give you a little tip. He hit it the cast before that, kind of when I was coming back in around the same spot, and I was just thinking to myself, I wonder if he'll hit it again. Never give up on those fish. I mean, there's another one. Dang. Pulled him. Man, did y'all just see that? Lost one. Look at my bait. Whew. He chomped on that. Man. But like I was saying, never give up on those fish. Like, I'm probably going to cast right back in here. See if I can't get that same fish again. Got one. There he is. Keep him down. See if I can. Oh, come on, get in here. See if I maybe can't land this one. He's not fighting real hard. I don't know what's up with him. That was a donker cast though. Not a bad one at all. About the same size as the last. Here we go. Look at him. Really nice. Just a good quality fish. Fun to catch. I'm gonna put him back where I caught him. See guys, never give up on those fish. I cast in the same exact spot that I caught that other one. And guess what happened? He hit it again. Boys and girls, let me tell you something. Y'all need to stay tuned for deer season. Because we got soybeans. Oh yeah. We got a whole big old field of them. Deer are going to be all over them. Tell you that much. Munching and crunching. I think I'm going to go back for a second. Get me a drink. It's hot. Fun little riding sesh. I mean, wasn't too long, but we might go in a little bit longer one later. There he is. You know, I didn't even feel him bite that. Did not even feel him bite that. There we go. Smallest fish of the day. Well, okay then. Caught that one on the old June bug Senko. Won't never let you down. Green pumpkin's also a great color. Got it. There it is. On the old swirly tail worm. Oh. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Got a pretty good one on that swirly tail worm. Tejas rig. It's known as Texas rig. He wanted that. Pretty good one. Oh, hey, that felt great. Yeah, not a bad one at all. Probably 1.5 pounder. Chunky little thing. Just get him back in the water. Alright, that was number 6 of the day. Well guys, it was a very, very fun day out here at the wonderful Heart Lake that you all love and adore so much. I ended up catching 6, which is about what I said. I said I'd catch 6 or 7. Caught 6. All the baits I showed you at the beginning, I caught them on them all, except for the what's it called, crankbait, old square bill. But I didn't really fish with it that long, and I had already caught 6. So, and hope to see you all in the next one.